Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is stainless steel shelves. They have the NISF sanitation approvals on it. And let's take a look overall sizes first. It will be 24 inches wide and the 18 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 71 inches tall. For our product shelvings, they come in with a 1, 2, 3, 4 shelvings and chromed stainless steels for heavy duty use. You can use for your storage or for your kitchen for limited space, and also for any place you're trying to put some heavy things on top of it. So this is all information about the products. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.